Good morning, day 3. Let's go to EPCOT. Ito na siya. Guys, kami lang nandito sa bus stop. Nagpa-reserve si Liana ng ano.
Nemo ride.
Nemo ride. Go, it's so much quieter today. Barely any people. Let's go. That's Magic Kingdom monorail. This is EPCOT monorail. The vlogging is vlogging. The vlogging is vlogging. Let's go take you to EPCOT using the monorail.
Guys, it's a hike again.
As usual, nauna na naman sila. Kahit
Bakit
ganun.
tayo lagi nahuhuli?
Talagang laging... Kasi siguro late lang tayo sa live. Wait, ganun.
Alright. Ang bilis niyong maglakad. Grabe. Hello.
Naghirap na ba kayo guys? Sa Disney? Pinamamalimos niyo yung anak niya. Naghirap.
Magkanta ka na yan. Let it go.
Yung birthday mo.
Saya nga ng mga tao, guys. Saya na rin ako.
Oo, ikot siya.
Wow. That's Moana. Ito yung Journey of Water. Hello. Contemplating our ano. Contemplating kung magra-ride kami later. Pero ako hindi na ako nagko-contemplate pala. It's a no. It's a hard no. Hard pass. So kung mabuhay.
Wala kasi si Tiana. Tiana naman.
I know.
Wala akong ganun sa'yo.
Una talaga sila. Blow your bubbles, blow. More. Blow. More. Cute. Ang cute ng damit niya. Yan ang nanay ko sa kanya. Cute.
Oh my gosh, takbuhan na guys. Nah. It's not even 9 yet. It's only like 8:58. Oh my gosh, people are running. Cannon. Nauna kami, sabi nila lead the way, pero hindi daw namin kaya. Ang bagal nila. My first ride Frozen. Tapos naiwan na kami ng kasama namin. Ayun na sila. Bes! Inumin kita dito. Sabi niya pag nakainom na siya, pwede na siya mag-guardians eh. Oh, dito na yon. Kasi nandun na yung China eh, oh. Yana, are you excited?
Norway.
Huh? I feel like I walked to Norway. Wow, naman.
Nasa lightning
50 minutes na siya. Umaakit na siya, guys.
Psych. Ang likot lang ng sa wheels. Pero medyo may ganun konti, di ba?
Yan nga, pag ganun lang.
Here we go.
Yana, let's go, Yana! Wow! Do you Sabi na this.
Everyone is snowy summer day. You're going to open ice house, friend He's so beautiful.
All of it left.
Galing ko rin sa talaga naglalakad. The trolls!
Honor saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. Oh, a frozen heart.
Oh, yan na. Umakit na siya. Ganun lang, guys.
Bababa ako mamaya, di ba?
Ay, galit na siya sa akin.
Would you say that we're related or gassy?
Let it go! Let it go! Ay! Oh! Wow! Shit! Woo! Cold never bothered me anyway.
Bakit may ganun ulit?
Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na, Thea! That was so nice!
Masana ako!
Winter's a good time to stay in Encanto. Happy summer!
Ayun na, tapos na.
You saw it! Na-video namin lahat. So, ang ganda.
director's view, kaya lang medyo dark.
Oo.
You'll see what the Thea looks like.
I mean, nagpanig ako ng slide, pero it was nice, actually. I like that. If I'm gonna go another one, I'm gonna do this again. Pero basta ang quit ko.
Sa dulo. There's not many rides here naman eh, so. Epcot daw is something tomorrow, ang meeting pala nun eh. Parang galing ano. Galing oh. Oh my gosh.
Thousands of years ago,
So cool.
at sea, our oceans glow
Good.
with algae farms within the atolls, producing thousands of species of life. Of note,
Ganito ba talaga yung sa Guardian?
a beacon to all who approach our planet from space.
Ito oh. Oh. Ang haba.
Meanwhile,
Guys,
Vibe talaga.
pupunta namin na yun. Ang kasama ko, tignan mo, bilis na nagpupush pa yun ng stroller. Ako, bilbil ko lang pinupush ko, guys. Ang layo. We're almost at France. Hey, walang pila. Ang ganda yun. I don't know.
It's so hard to pay.
I mean, we should, while waiting for them, we just wait together.
Okay, let's wait together now.
Or
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Sabay na? Ayaw mo na solo? Let's go to Remy, Anna.
Remy?
Starstruck na naman siya.
You get starstruck when you meet a princess. Di ba dito si Rem? Yan. Yan, come here.
Yung nandun na sinabi yung bang, ba't ba ako pumayag dito?
Hindi, tungto ako.
Really?
Oo. 20 minutes, so it's okay. I was having so much fun inside.
The ride!
So good. Buti umabot kami. Sakto lang.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, ang haba nung the line to get there is so long. Like, it's not line pala. It's like the way to go.
Talaga.
The way to go is so long, but it's so good. I'll show you guys. May mga hologram, ganun. And then, once you get there, they do like a little show like we did with the Avatar. So like Terry Crews and like all this other people, they're like, you're gonna go in the galaxy, blah blah blah.
Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time.
And then you do the ride, but then it's literally like, you know it's intense because people are checking for your seatbelt.
Talaga?
They're like,
Doon na part
pull
na
it
yun.
up.
Oh
This is like a proper roller coaster, and you can see inside. Like, it's mostly dark though, so it's nice. So you don't know that you're in a roller coaster. But there's this one place where you were going around the moon because you're supposed to be in the galaxy. The moon. It's you can see the track for the coaster. It's a proper coaster.
Must have liked it or loved that.
I loved it, absolutely.
Galing, naka-ride na siya.
Yes! Okay, the rest of the day is chill for me. Kain na tayo? But yeah, it was
After
so
this.
good. Worth it. Absolutely. Actually, because I barely did anything to join the virtual queue.
Oh yeah. That's the best, right? Kasi good thing naka-ano ko si virtual.
Yeah. I probably wouldn't like line up for it. It's just such a night. Although I don't think they have much standby
Right now?
like in general. I think you either have to do the single pass or the virtual queue. They don't do standby, I think. Because there wasn't anyone lined up there.
Kami, nag-shopping.
Ano, nakabili ka na?
Wala. Wala dun.
Wala na?
Puro pin lang din.
Okay. So, nighttime Paris siya na. And, ganda ng pagkakasabi mo kanina. Saan kayo? We're going to France. Wow, we're heading to France. Wow. From Orlando to France.
Hola, everybody! Bienvenidos! Welcome!
Everyone, vengan, acérquense. We are having a party right here at EPCOT, and you are all invited! That's right. We're going to sing along. Mírale, vamos!
Oh yeah. Drawers. Floors. Doors. Let's go. This is our home. We've got every generation. So full of music, rhythm of its own design. So I'm part of the family. Let me go.
Mag-tiktok ka ba? Mag-tiktok ka.
Right, relax.
Baka ma-discover ka. Lah. Uy. Si Nemo ay clownfish best. Oo nga. Teya guys, siya nakaisip nitong director's view na
Accidentally. Ito na tayo kay Nemo.
She's happy again. Her favorite park is Epcot.
Epcot actually.
Me too. Dahil sa princess. Oh, it's too
I
overwhelming.
think that's the real ano talaga. Like,
Ikaw ba
Disney,
Disney?
yeah. But otherwise, I like everything.
Pero good planning. Thanks to May.
Yeah.
Saya, paulit-ulit na lang kami dito. Ang cozy nitong po. Nung kanina kasi parang liha kaya ayoko. Ito, ang sarap. Parang inaantok na ako.
Parang ka lang inelek.
Oo.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'll say
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
all right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Biglang may drop na tayo.
Visit mo pa dyan. Try ko on myself.
Hindi ito magda-drop kasi patagin lang siya.
Tsaka walang seatbelt or
Oo.
anything.
Pero si Pirates. Pero ito patag-iigit lang na hindi kagaya ng mermaid under the sea.
Oh, yun yung shark.
I wonder if clownfish taste.
Bye! Bye! Oh, ganito din siya.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house.
With M-I-G-N-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
One little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the sun.
You're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. Let's go!
To the great gathering. Welcome. Welcome.
Wow!